Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingSystem.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week and a couple of upcoming nice setups. So let's get started here. So this is the pound Aussie chart on the June 6th. We started on the 5th, but there was no trade on the 5th. So this is the one I closed on the 6th, 450 pip. Sell order here, and I shall move to break even plus. This is the entry here. And on the 6th, Euro-Aussie as well. This is a beautiful drop all the way to 145 pip. And on the 7th, pound Newsy going to the upside, 80 pip. You can see the buy order here. And gold from 1958 to 1944. Beautiful entry here all the way down. And on the 7th, on the 8th is pound USD, based on my chart, 40-minute chart, 100 pip to the upside. And here on the 9th, USD-CAD, this entry was on the 6th, but this slow move moves a lot. I mean, it's like very, very slow, right? So I just held it because I knew that, this is going to drop. I have my bigger chart, so slowly, and it was dropping. And in 3 days, it's only 100 pip, so that's okay. And the last but not the least is on the 9th, long setup on the 9th for 75 pip. Now, let me show you that the Euro-Aussie, couple of Euro-Aussie trades here that I had. For example, this is on the June 1st, right? First for 75 pip. And on the June 6th, right? See, June 6th, there was the June 1st, 75 pip, and this 145 pip to the downside. These two trades were based on my analysis of this Euro Aussie on the May 31st. So very next day on June 1st, I had 75 pip drop, and then later 145 pip. Based on that, what happened to this chart? See, this is Euro-USD. My analysis for that, this is going to drop here. First, it hit this 78%, then it went up to 38%, and then it's supposed to drop to 127 to finish up a butterfly pattern, that harmonic pattern. What happened to this chart as of 9th is this. See that? Same kind of chart, same thing, Euro-Aussie, but it was here when I made the chart and straight down. So this is where I had those two trades, one for 75 pip, the other one for 145 pip. And it's about to reach the target, probably one more day, and then boom, it's going to hit the target. And after that, where it goes, that's different story. And similarly, if I will show you this, that a pound USD, pound USD long, right? On the 8th, this one was based on my analysis of this chart. This is I made on the 5th, that this is XABCD, and it's supposed to be either it's going to drop straight to two options from point C. Two options. One, to all the way down to making the Elliott wave target, AB equal to CD 100%, 127 or 161, or it will go up first and then drop. So if it will go up, that would be a harmonic pattern. What was it? 61 to 78 is Gartley pattern, right? So this is how these patterns and wave harmonic pattern help me get all these big trades. And this is what I teach in my one-on-one course that makes you a master of these things. So what happened to this chart, by the way? What happened to this chart so far on the 9th is this. See? And this is where my 20-minute entry, 100 pip, I cash out from here to here. That's so easy. Similarly, what is happening right now? What are the good setups out there is the US dollar, USD yen. This is the daily chart I made, and still is going on, underway. And this one, this is a harmonic pattern we call BAT, right? So this is the calculation from 38 to 88, right? Another version, not version, but another study done on this is this Elliott wave. So this is how you have wave 1, 2, and then you go for wave 3, followed by wave 4, and then wave 5. So how much are they, each wave compared to each other? and all of that, and how you can set up your target for hundreds of pips. That's what I teach in my one-on-one course. Right. So this is going on right now. We are here somewhere, and maybe next week we'll have a push to the upside. A very beautiful Elliott wave count chart is also available for the next week. So several of them, but I'm just going to show you that. Just like, for example, USD yen, and then look at this gold chart. Gold I'm tracking for like months and months, and it is exactly doing as I am telling. I made a gold video like two days ago. 2 days ago. You can see on my channel, gold analysis. So this is a beautiful Elliott wave count and very, very wonderful setup. This is like wave 105. Exactly, this 1959 drop for wave 2, wave 3, and exactly fulfilling the channel requirement for wave 4. And it's getting ready. It might drop. I'm not saying not, but 90% that if we can stay above 1959, we can easily go up for wave 5 all the way here, somewhere like 2000, 2100, something like that. All right, so I'll be watching this one and several other setups, beautiful setups are available. So yeah, this is what it is, and like I said, that I'm gonna be posting the 50% discount on my one-on-one course on the website tonight, which will start Sunday night. I had it like a month ago, and but I had a lot of people, so I stopped because I can't only handle only so much. So I completed some of those, and then I have some spots left over. Now I have time-wise, right? So I can do some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and then post that 50% discount starting tomorrow till next Sunday. And if I fill those spots quicker, then I'll stop it quicker, maybe 2-3 days, and then I'll stop it. So take advantage of that if you want. I'm talking about this one-on-one course here. And this is 10-hour intense course, teach you every single thing on Zoom, right? And you will learn every single thing, all of these things. Everything has to do with trading. Not only Forex, but gold, commodities, stocks, everything. The system works for everything. All right. So take advantage of that. And this is it. And I will make a next video. I'll make about the yen index and yen pairs, what they are up to, and what we will expect next week from yen. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos quickly, and you can trade accordingly if I give out some setups. All right. Usually I do just like a USD yen and then gold setup now for next week. Right. So they are very good setups for next week. And like I said, there are some more, but I'm gonna give it to my subscribers, right? So if you sign up, you'll get them as well. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.